Sometimes when there are people who have had like digits amputated, a finger that's been amputated right at the knuckle. Okay, the body is divided up into parts. Under the statute, under the statute, the body is sort of divided up into parts, including the hand. And so if someone's had a fingertip amputated and it's literally at that knuckle, then if you can also consult with usually the work comp insurance company's lawyer with the judge, and then it might be a little bit more straightforward because if that person doesn't have, let's say, like phantom pain or some sort of other problem, but if it's, hate to say it, if it's a clear-cut amputation, then it kind of falls, you can look at the statute and say, here's what that would be worth. Here's what your compensation should be. But most times it's just not, even with something like that, people might have a finger, it might be amputated right at the knuckle, but they have some additional problems, phantom pain or problems making a fist, which again, then the disability could go to the level of the whole hand. So it is true, I'm not just saying that, but it is complicated. And so there are a few times when it's kind of straightforward, as long as you maybe trust the work comp insurance's attorney, and sometimes you can have a pre-hearing conference with the administrative law judge, and the judge can help you a little bit, and if you feel real comfortable. But in most cases, I would, again, at 95%, I would say that if you really want to get what you're entitled to and know your rights, you're going to need to consult an attorney. A lot of times, if somebody gets the tip of their finger amputated, a lot of times they won't have a lot of lingering problems to the hand. Sometimes they do, but sometimes they don't. But, again, the way the statute is and the body is sort of divided up, including the hand, if it's clear that you've got 100% loss at the knuckle, well, you can look at the knuckle on the charts and you see that it's a 100% loss. And so then it's an easy calculation as far as what they're supposed to get for a benefit. But again, most of the time somebody has an injury and it's not just to the body part, it goes up the rest of the hand or to the arm or shoulder. So it becomes increasingly complicated as you go.